guys, Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today I have partnered with my favorite brand Laila Foods and I'm really excited for this collaboration. The recipe I'm bringing you today is Daal Gosht, and for that I will be using their excellent quality Chana dal. In order to make Daal Gosht, here I have got 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, half a cup oil. The spices I'm going to be using are 1.5 teaspoon red chillies, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric and salt according to your taste. I'm also going to be using some whole spices, so that's cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, black pepper, black cardamom and some cloves. Here I've got 700 grams of lamb and I also soaked 300 grams of Chana dal, which is Laila brand. I'm going to use pressure cooker to make Daal Gosht, but you can make it in a normal pan as well. It will take slightly longer. So the first step is to add oil. Let the oil heat up and then I'm gonna add these whole spices. The whole spices are now spluttering. At this point I'm adding all the sliced onions. So we need to cook the onions until they are golden brown. So guys, as you can see that onions are brown now. At this point I'm going to add the lamb. Now we need to cook it until the color of the lamb changes. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. Now the color of lamb has changed. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now we're cooking it again on medium flame for 4-5 minutes until the rawness of ginger garlic has gone. Now I'm going to add in all these spices, so that's red chillies, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric and salt. Okay, so now cook it for 2 more minutes. Make sure the flame is medium so it doesn't get burned. And now I'm adding the tomatoes. Again, give it a good mix. Now you can see that masala is bonified. So I bonified it for around 5 to 8 minutes. And now at this point I'm going to add water. That's 1 cup of water. And let me see if it's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. So now I'm going to put the lid of the pressure cooker and then we will cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been 10 minutes and now I'm opening the lid of the cooker. Okay. So now you can see that there is already some water in there. In the same water, now I'm going to add in the soaked lentils. And let's see if there's enough water now. I think I need to add half a cup of water in this and then I will put it on the pressure cooker again. Okay, now we need to bring it to boil. Okay, now I'm putting the lid of the cooker again and we will leave it to cook for 3 minutes this time. Okay guys, while the lamb is being cooked, here I have done the preparation of tarka and garnishing. For tarka, I'm going to use cumin seeds and whole red chillies and some onions. For garnishing, I'll be using green chillies and coriander and also some garam masala. And over here, I am making Laila Foods extra long basmati rice to serve with dal gosht. Now I'm opening the lid of the pressure cooker and see the color of the curry. Okay, so let's see if the dal is tender. Yeah, it's perfect. So I'm just going to bhunify it until the oil has come out, and in the end we're going to give tarka on it. So now it's almost ready. I'm just bhunifying it on high flame. And after this we're going to give tarka and serve it with the rice. Okay guys, so now I'm making tarka. So here I've added oil and in this I'm going to add half sliced onion. So the onions are brown now. I'm adding cumin seeds and red chillies. And now I'm going to give tarka. Alright guys, the recipes are ready now. So here is dal gosht and here I have made boiled rice using Laila Foods extra long basmati rice, and now I'm going to try it to see how it has turned out. It is super delicious. You guys must buy these products and try this recipe. Really nice, the flavors are so good. Laila has a wide range of products. They have a variety of lentils, rice, ginger garlic paste, semolina and other things. I have been using their products for a long time and they're always of excellent quality. So this is my go-to brand for everyday cooking. I'm always using their lentils and rice. You guys must visit their website for more details.